everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ninniku Wakame. It's wakame seaweed cooked with some garlic. Such a simple dish that you can whip up in no time. Wakame seaweed has almost zero calorie, but it's full of mineral and fiber, so it's great for your health. It cleanses your body. At the end of the video, I will show you how I do a menu with this Ninniku Wakame, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 20 grams of dried wakame seaweed, some garlic. I'm using 3 cloves today, but you can use more depending on how garlicky you want to make it. 1 tablespoon each of sesame oil, mirin, soy sauce, and sesame seeds. At first, I'm going to rehydrate the wakame seaweed. And wakame seaweed is small bits when it's dried, but when it's rehydrated, it's spread out. So make sure to use plenty of water to rehydrate. So wakame seaweed in the bowl and strainer. Plenty of water, cold water. And just leave it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's mince garlic. I peeled it already. Remove this green part if there is any. And just mince. Now, wakame seaweed is completely rehydrated. Let's drain and squeeze to remove excess water. Take some. Squeeze it well. Then put it into another bowl. Heat up sesame oil in the frying pan over medium to medium high heat. Add wakame and garlic. And just cook it until you start to smell nice flavor of the garlic. Cooked it about a minute and it's smelling so good. Let's add the seasonings. 1 tablespoon of mirin and soy sauce. Keep cooking for another minute or so. Okay, kill the heat and let's add the sesame seeds. Give it a mix. Serve in the bowl. And Ninniku Wakame, it's ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. Sesame oil, sesame seeds and garlic smell so good. It may not look great on Instagram, but it tastes great. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Ninniku Wakame is the side, so it goes here. Some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other side. The side dishes are so healthy, let's go heavy on the main. So how about hirekatsu, a type of tonkatsu? Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.